And a real woman has real dreams. Can buy her own things, cause a real woman has her own means.
Hey pretty girls with the poppin' curls, you are back here at Such a Joy. I am Joy. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Everybody, don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment down below so you can let me know how I did, how you liked the video, was it helpful or not. And don't forget to share this video because it definitely helps me out. So as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be taking down these mini twists. I had these mini twists in for 4 weeks and 4 days. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me post my bun the other day. Well, you saw me post my bun yesterday, and now I'm taking them out today. I said I was about to take them out, and I was just like, you know what, I'm ready to take them out because for some reason they started getting really itchy last night. I don't know if it's because I was talking about washing my hair and it was like a mind over matter thing, but either way, so I'm taking them down today. I have already done the back section. Let me see. It's not straight because I just took the twist out, but basically I'm going to be doing I'm going to be taking it out in 4 sections. And so I have the 2 sections in the back, and I'm going to do 2 sections in the front, and I have them in subsections just so I can like just put it away until I'm ready to put my overnight deep conditioner in. And that's going to be a whole nother video because I'm trying out these new products. But anyway, so let's get started. And this is basically the way that I just figured out today. Because last time, I think I took my mini twists out dry. And you get a lot of shedding when you take them out dry because they've been in for like so freaking long. So, today, I learned that if you wet them first, you can get minimum shedding. So the minimum shedding is what we're going for. So basically, I'm going to section all these off because this is going to be my 3rd section. And I'm going to start spraying it with water to get them all, you know, soaking wet. So we can start taking them down. And what twisting the hair does like this is help the water just get all up in there. And what getting the hair wet and all of that does is help you get ready to, you know, manipulate your hair so you can have less breakage. And definitely with type 4 hair, because I have type 4 hair, and high density hair, having your hair wet helps you manipulate it with as little breakage or shedding as possible. And usually just shedding, because if you're careful with your hair, you won't have a bunch of breakage or breakage at all. And if you don't have a 360 spray bottle, sis, what are you doing? Because you really need to get one. So now I'm about to start taking these twists out, and you will see how easy it is for me to take out. And put it right here. I'm going to be starting from the bottom of the twist. You don't want to start from the middle just in case it's a little snag. So pull it from the bottom and then just keep pulling it loose. And then once you do that, what you want to do is run your thumb. I run my thumb and index finger down the shaft of the hair. And that's how I get it out. You get your hair from being twisted. Because if I wouldn't just go into, like, just take it out like how it was before and then just wash my hair, your hair would be all tangled up. So this is I'm pretty sure this is just dead hair. So that's what I got from that one twist. And then that's also the hair that's on the outside, and I had my hair in a bun a lot of the time, so that probably was like, you know, just rubbing my shirt if I put my clothes on. And I'm going to keep on doing the exact same thing. And I'll show you guys slowly one more time. Thumb, index, rub it down. Let's see if I can show you. See how they got stuck? And then you want to just be as gentle as possible with the hair. Because it's a protective style. You don't want to get your protective style out and then be extra rough with your hair and cause breakage. I know how it is when you're impatient, because sometimes I'm impatient with detangling my hair. So yeah. I'm really sad I'm taking these mini twists out because they really have been a big help to me. I haven't had to worry about my hair, but I can't wait to wash my hair, honestly. So comment in the comment section, like, what type of videos you guys would like to see from me. I mean, because I'm doing the videos that I want to do, but what other videos would you like to see?
Baby, seems like everywhere I go I see you. From your eyes, your smile, it's like I breathe you. Helplessly I reminisce, don't want to compare nobody to you. Take all of me, I just wanna be the girl you like, the kind of girl you like. Take all of me, I just wanna be the girl you like, the kind of girl you like is right here. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Your sexiness is so appealing, I can't let it go. Know that I can't get over you, 'cause everything I speak is you.
So now I'm just twisting this one into its little subsection so I don't have like my hair just tangling up again, like all sitting together and then it tangles up. So this helps to stay detangled as I keep twisting, and it just gets the hair out of the way. So, and y'all know I like to feel like I'm hitting milestones, so these little subsections and the regular sections, they help me know that I am getting somewhere and I'm just not, it's not like taking all day.
And I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu. Know that I can't get over you, 'cause everything I speak is you. And I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja. Drive her all up the partition, please. Drive her all up the partition, please. Baby, seems like everywhere I go.
Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope it helps someone out, and make sure you comment down below if it did help you out. Also, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video, because it definitely helps me out and helps us keep growing this Curly Girl fam. And also, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And like always, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Everything I work for, everything I got, now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him too. I heard he keep his promises and never turn on you. I heard he ain't gon' cheat